Hey, it's Mike, Craig, and Cindy from the Sierra Stompers, and we got some exciting news. You may have noticed that the stock market is just going ballistic today. You know why that is? News got out that Miley Cyrus is getting a new tattoo, or what boob, of that. This big news in central Nevada here, in northern Nevada, wherever the heck we're at. But Sierra Stompers is Carson Valley's premier off-road club, right?
Right.
Absolutely.
Jeeps, trucks, side-by-sides, horses, dirt bikes, wherever you want to get on the trail with us. Great big club. We do community cleanups once or twice a year, and just a blast of people to be around. There's no presidents, no treasurers, no cost to join,
No drama.
but you do got to fly the colors. So we're going to show you how to do it. You can put it on your cool new Jeep, and you can put it on your fixer-upper. You can even put it on your Honda. Heck, you can even put it on your horse. All right, well, if you want your own decal, come see us at Jethro's when?
On the first Thursday of every month.
Yep, or come riding with us almost every weekend. Keep an eye on the calendars on the Sierra Stompers Facebook page or the Sierra Stompers OHV page for you lightweight guys. See you on the trail.
You can even put it on your boy toy.